Hi, my name is Michael Morris. I'm a senior data scientist at Paragon Technology Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about some common non-regression based modeling techniques that are currently being utilized in the world of data analytics. The goal of data modeling is to explain the relationship between a target variable, for example, an agency's expected revenue for a quarter, with a group of independent variables mathematically, for example, the current GDP, the market inflation rate, and the current dollar value. Today I want to talk to you about three different techniques which include artificial neural networks, decision trees, and the nearest neighbor method. Each of these different data modeling techniques analyze data in individual ways. First, artificial neural networks are a nonlinear predictive modeling technique that learn through training. They represent a very complex but very powerful predictive modeling technique, but some of that power comes at the expense of ease of use and interpretability. One area where analysts can best utilize neural networks is in the reviewing of records for fraud and fraud-like activities. Because of their complexity, neural networks are best used in instances where they can be used and reused, such as in reviewing of credit card transactions on a monthly basis for anomalies. Decision trees are tree-like structures where each leaf represents a decision set. These decision sets help build rules, which helps to segment different parts of your data into different results for your target variable. They represent a very user-friendly and very interpretable predictive modeling technique. One example of using decision trees would be in predicting the expected outcome of a distribution center in a supply chain. By looking at such variables as the total square feet of the facility, the number of employees currently working there, as well as its ability to access necessary raw materials, can help you predict the total output that distribution center can meet. Next is the nearest neighbor method. This method simply looks at historical data to try and match current data with those historical records. One example would be the k nearest neighbor method, where k represents a positive integer value. For example, if k were to equal 1, that would mean that you are trying to find one single record within your historical data set that best matches one individual record in your new data set. Each of these data modeling techniques represents advantages and disadvantages, and I want to leave you with a few key takeaways for each different modeling technique. First, while artificial neural networks do represent a strong predictive ability, they do lack a level of interpretability that some agencies may need in their data modeling. Decision trees, while they are very user-friendly and represent that level of interpretability that some agencies may need, can sometimes lack the level of specificity and predictability that agencies need when making future decisions. And finally, the nearest neighbor method is best used when trying to interpolate results instead of doing prediction. I want to thank you for watching this video today and hope you and your agency the best success as you climb the hierarchy of data analytical sophistication. Thank you.